At Roca, our commitment to sustainability drives us to develop solutions which help to conserve and improve the environment. For this reason, we've created a new generation of taps which, in addition to reducing water consumption, also ensure increased energy savings. Taps fitted with Roca's cold start function feature a lever positioned in the center of the tap exclusively delivering cold water when opened. When hot water is required, the lever can be turned gradually to the left to increase the temperature. In this way, daily rituals that do not require hot water can be carried out without turning on the boiler unnecessarily. This, in turn, reduces energy consumption, which lowers household bills and reduces CO2 emissions into the atmosphere. But that's not all. The lever on these new models only turns to the left, not to the right. This allows the lever to remain perfectly aligned with the spout when not in use, improving the aesthetics and encouraging the use of cold water from the start in a natural way. Cold Start by Roca. Innovation for sustainability.